Hey penny pinchers, welcome back to my channel. I hope everyone's having an amazing day. It's your girl Chelomie, and today I am going to share a haul with you of both fall and a little bit of Christmas items. Well, before we begin, guys, yeah, I know I have been gone for such a long time. I have been MIA, but the truth is I have so much that I'm trying to balance. So I really do appreciate your patience. And to all of you who reached out to me, whether it's by email, messenger, whatever it is that you did, thank you so much for reaching out just to make sure that I'm doing okay. Yes, I am doing okay, but my life has become a balancing act and I don't know that I'm doing such a good job. But anyway, today I wanted to pop in just to let you see me and know that I'm doing okay, and to share these items that I found at Hobby Lobby and Home Goods. So if you're interested in that sort of thing, you know exactly what to do, guys. Just keep on watching. Okay guys, so I'm honestly not gonna go in any particular order. Let's just dive in. So the first thing that I wanted to show you is these two little beautiful decorative boxes that I picked up from Home Goods last week. And if you guys have not yet seen, I actually posted a Home Goods Hobby Lobby shop with me video. Please, I will link it in this video. That way you can take a look. So just to give you an idea of what's out there, right? So these two decorative pieces I picked up from Home Goods are these beautiful storage boxes. Super gorgeous. Love the black and white. It is velvet on the inside as well as the bottom. This is a smaller one, which was $12.99. And then I got one that was a little bit bigger, which is this one here. Super gorgeous. It's the very same thing, just in a bigger size. But guys, this black and white, yes. I saw them and I was like, gotta have it. So I brought both of them. Again, the smaller one is $12.99 and the larger one is $14.99. The next thing I did at Home Goods is I did some pillow shopping, and this first one here, super gorgeous. Isn't that gorgeous? So beautiful, so soft, so plush. So it has the decorative side, and then the other side, if you want to use it like this way, just flip it around and it's like suede or velvet on this side. But super gorgeous. I got me a couple of these. They were $39.99 each. And guys, I haven't been shopping in quite some time, so I got all three of them. It's by a company. The company is Soho Studio. Soho Studio. $39.99. Super gorgeous. Very plush, very soft, very elegant. You know, I love me an elegant piece, and that's exactly what this is given. So you'll see it. I will incorporate it into my fall decor, which is coming up soon. I'm gonna do a video, you know, getting my fall items together, getting my fall decoration together for starting with my living room. So look out for that. Again, from Home Goods, I went ahead and picked up this set of pillows. It's like as you can see, gold tone, very soft, very plush. A set of two, and this set of two was $39.99. The one I showed you before, those were $39.99 each, but this set was $39.99. Super gorgeous. Super soft and goes very well with my decor. So look out for this also in a video coming soon. The next items that I want to show you guys coming from Home Goods. Again, they had a really good sale on their towels, and I got me a few of them because I entertain heavily over the holidays, like over Christmas. So I got me, it's the bath towel. These were on sale for $7. I got me a few of these bath towels, as well as the hand towels. These were on sale from $12.99 to $10. And I think there were 2 or 3 of them here. It's actually a 2-piece. It's DKNY, very plush, And I also got me the washcloths to go with it. So that way when my guests come over, they can have like a whole matching set, right? Like the towel, the face cloth, and the washcloth and the hand towel. And then I also went ahead and got me just some nice plain ones. Very, very plush. I love when my towels are very plush. And these were on sale for $6. So honestly guys, I'm not sure if all the Home Goods have their towel sets and stuff on sale, but hey, run over to your Home Goods and see what they have out. And these towels, this set is from Tahari. And like I said, I picked up a few of the ones like these, and then I also went in and picked these up. And I like when my things they complement each other in terms of like the color and stuff. So even if they're a little bit, if I were to give somebody one of these towels, you know, they could still get one of these washcloths. Yes, I know I'm anal, it's okay. But I love when my things are, you know, matching nicely, and my guests realize that I put thought into accommodating them, you know, in the little things that I do, such as giving them their towels and making sure that they're matching sets. Yes, I know it's extra, but you know me, I'm gonna do what I do, and hey, what can I say? Okay guys, so here are some of the things I got from Hobby Lobby. Now, you know that these ornaments were viral last year, and as such, everybody and their mama was up in Hobby Lobby last year picking these up. These are the Studio McGee dupes, and these are the bigger ones, guys. I got these, this color, which is kind of like of a cream color, and then I also got it in black. Super, super gorge. Black velvet, come on now. Super, super gorge, really pretty. I got these, like I said, at Hobby Lobby, and I didn't even give you the price. The original price for these, because they're the larger ones, are $19.99, but Hobby Lobby has all of their Christmas items right now at 50% off. So I got me these, and then I realized they also have the fall collection, which is the same. This is just super gorgeous. Look how pretty that is, guys. And yeah, these ones were $10.99, and then again, like I said, 40% off. Let me tell you where I find these though. When I went to my Hobby Lobby, these were not in the Christmas decor section, so they weren't with these regular Christmas ornaments. They were in the fall section, so where all the fall items are, that's where I found these. Because I went to my Hobby Lobby before, so I went twice. So I went and found these, didn't see the fall ones. And then when I went back today, I was just going through the fall aisle, and then I saw that. I was like, oh, this is where they are. So guys, if you go to your Hobby Lobby, make sure you check both places if you're looking for the fall items. But these are super cute. And I'm not gonna do a fall tree, guys. I'm just gonna use them like as vase fillers, because I think they're super, super pretty. And let me just segue into the picks that I got that will go perfectly cute with these. And I had actually picked these up before I saw the ornaments, but these are the picks I'm going with. So I have it in 2 colors, which perfectly matches these. All right, so like I said, these ones were $10.99 with 40% off, and the picks were $7.99 and 40% off. So all of their fall items right now at Hobby Lobby are 40% off, and all the Christmas items are 50% off. So now is the time you want to get, yeah, I know it's early, it's August, yes, and we're pushing it. But if you want to get the good stuff and you want to get them at a nicely discounted price, then now is a really good time to go and do a walkthrough and pick up the things that you want. For these ornaments, they're not going to be there for long, okay? They are going to dwindle, because as soon as people realize that they're there, they're going to start going there and clearing the shelves. So if you're interested in the viral velvet ornaments, and they have them in varying sizes, the colors that I saw, guys, are the black, the white, a chocolate brown, and then that light brown. So go ahead and check them out. Hobby Lobby, the Christmas ones 50% off, the fall ones 40% off. Another item I got from Hobby Lobby, guys, are these beautiful little houses. Super gorgeous, and they have the lights on the inside. But the reason I picked these up, it's not so much for fall, but for Christmas, because a lot of times people will do like the Christmas villages. So if you're doing like a Christmas village, this is a good buy at Hobby Lobby. It's $23.99 and then 40% off, and it's 4 in the set of varying sizes, which is really good. They also have them in singles, in 2 different sizes and 2 colors, I believe. The bigger one I saw, it was $12.99, and then the smaller one was $7.99, which the colors were very similar. Then they have another one with the roof which is green. That one is just a small size. Didn't see any big ones in those, but it was just a smaller size, and those were $6.99 with the green roof. And these with the tan colored or brown roof, the single ones were $12.99 for the large and $7.99 for the small. So if you want to get your Christmas village going, good time to shop. $23.99 and 40% off, because it is being sold as a fall item. But I'm just gonna transition it at Christmas time into what I want it to do, okay? So that's it for the fall pieces. All right, guys, the next thing I got from Hobby Lobby are these beautiful, beautiful ornaments. I believe I bought a set last year, but I bought more. Look how absolutely gorgeous these are. Isn't that beautiful? It's black, white, and gold with a set of 5, just elegant, just beautiful, just gorgeous. Now it's originally $19.99 and then 50% off, so $9.99. I got me 2 sets because I do believe that I have another one, and I will see what happens when I get ready to decorate for Christmas. But like I said, guys, go in. Now is the time to go in, find the items that you really like, and pick them up at 50% off from Hobby Lobby. All right, guys, we are at the end, and the last items that I got, I gotta pick me up some ribbons, right? So I picked up this one, super gorgeous. It's red velvet. Again, this came from Hobby Lobby also. The original price is $19.99 and then 50% off of that. It is 4 inches wide and 18 feet long. So yeah, this will make me some really nice hefty bows. So Hobby Lobby, again, guys, like I said, they have everything out and ready to go. And then I just got me some other regular black ribbon, because I have a little project that I'm working on, and this ribbon is super, super gorgeous. Take a look at that. But you'll see what I do with it when I get ready to use it. I'm going to share with you. These are not a part of the Christmas or fall collection. They're just regular in the ribbon, regular side. So I paid $3.99 for these. Still a pretty good price, $3.99. I got me a couple of these, and I got me one that's maybe half the size of this, but very, very similar style. So guys, yeah, that is it. Okay guys, so that is all I have for you today. Thank you so much for joining me on this quick little haul. But like I said, I wanted to show you what's out there. That way you can go out and start, finding and picking up your items for fall and the Christmas holidays as well. I also wanted to come on here and say hello and to let you know that I'm back. Look out for more videos. I'm about to start my fall decorating. Exciting times ahead. Thank you so much for your patience. And until next time, this is your Glamorous Penny Pincher ChelomieC saying, love you. Until the next video, bye-bye.